Hello everyone, this is Team Naagshakti and this is our presentation for Kavach-2023. Our problem statement ID is KVH-005 and the title is Advanced ANPR and FRS Solution. The complete problem statement is to design and develop a technological solution that can accurately perform the automatic number plate recognition along with facial recognition from the available CCTV feeds. The solution should be able to recognize number plates that are written in typical non-standard ways using varying font sizes, styles, designs, symbols, languages, etc. that is difficult to recognize by existing ANPR systems. All of us are from JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida, and we are from Electronics and Communication Engineering branch of BTech. Here is our idea and approach details. First of all, let me tell you about the current problems we have in the existing ANPR and facial recognition systems. So there are problems in operation during bad weather conditions, poor lighting conditions, the speed of the vehicle, the quality of the camera used. All of these are limitations. Limited coverage or the range of the camera. The existing NPR systems might fail to recognize number plates which are written in typical non-standard ways. So here is our approach to this problem statement. In the first step, we will use video analytics and capture the images of cars and save it in the database along with the timestamps. In the next step, vehicle image will be returned and we will perform the number plate recognition using OCR and then do facial detection. So both of these processes will run parallelly. Segmentation we will do by using edge detection. The facial detection is also saved to the database along with the vehicle number. Further, we can check the data in the government portals and get the name of the person, age, and we can check his or her criminal record, and this improves security of the systems. So as you can see on the right here, this is the flow for character recognition. First we will capture the image, then number plate detection will happen, then character segmentation will happen, and finally we will recognize the characters in the number plate. The technology stack we are using here is first and foremost Python and its various libraries like OpenCV and scikit-image. We are using Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab to run the Python code. We will use Easy OCR library to ease the process of optical character recognition in the ANPR system. We will also need high-grade equipment such as CCTV for capturing the images and videos of the cars, and we will need servers to run the backend code. Then we have React and Tailwind CSS, which we'll be using to create the front-end part of our application, and we will use Flask to create the backend of our application. Here are some of the use cases of our system. We can first of all do automation using ANPR and FRS system that we are developing. The automated recognition of number plates allows automated alerts and controls for facilities. Hence, ANPR is a key technology for smart cities or toll stations. Then our idea can also be implemented in law enforcement, since police forces use ANPR for law enforcement purposes to check if a vehicle is registered or to identify vehicles related to traffic violations. The ability to detect and recognize number plates in real time allows our authorities to identify vehicles and track their location. Along with this, police can also detect that the driver is above 18 or not, and they can also detect the faces of those people who have criminal profiles. So overall, this can improve security. Then this system can also be used in private security. Private security companies can use our system to monitor the premises of private properties such as office buildings, residential complexes, and shopping centers, allowing for accurate tracking of visitors and potential security threats. We also have a use case in border control. This solution can be used at border crossings to identify vehicles and drivers entering and leaving the country, allowing for accurate tracking of border crossings and identification of potential security threats. This is one of the big applications of our technology. Then we have uh, parking management. This is solution. This solution can be used in parking lots and garages to manage parking and monitor vehicles entering and leaving the premises, allowing for accurate billing and tracking of parked vehicles. And last but not the least, theft security. Our system can also be used in theft security by police or the government, as they can check for the cars that have been stolen by checking the FIRs registered on the number plates. Uh, on the right, you can see the dependencies that we have for this solution. So as I already mentioned, we will be using Python language to do most of the heavy lifting. Uh, all the machine learning models that we're using are written in Python. We are using scikit image. It is a library of Python. We will use this library along with OpenCV to perform ANPR and facial recognition. Then we have matplotlib. We'll be using it to keep track of all the images that we are generating from videos and then showing it and saving it to the disk. We have imutils. This library is a utility library that we'll be using in our system. We also have easy OCR, which is a optical character recognition library that eases the process of doing OCR. And finally, this is the team member details that we have. I am Amish Sharma, and our team leader is Udbhav Patel. Then we have Laksh Agarwal. He is the front-end developer in our team. Lipika Garg and Akruti Agarwal, both of them are machine learning developers. Harshil Avasti, he will be managing the backend part of our application. Thank you so much for listening to our presentation.